Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a playlist on TikTok. Adding a playlist on TikTok is a great way to stay connected with the latest trends and save time when finding songs for your videos. To add a playlist, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you are in your TikTok account, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three lines from the top right corner. These lines represent the menu of your account. Navigate to Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down to find Report a Problem. Tap on Report a Problem. Choose the Creator Tools option related to the problem you want to report. If the available option doesn't solve your problem, tap on Other. If it still does not resolve, tap on No. Describe your problem in detail. For example, I can't create a playlist on my account. Please fix this as soon as possible. After describing your problem, click Submit. Now that your support ticket is submitted, the TikTok team will work to resolve your problem. Once the issue is resolved, you will be able to add playlists on TikTok hassle-free. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.